Here we are at the 2022 Toy Run in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Just waiting for the riders to come up from Parker. Thunder Road is all set up. Rig is good. And we're just waiting. They've given us a terrific spot right in front of the Red Onion. We're excited. And Sherry did a phenomenal job stocking up, gearing up, loading the trailer with all kinds of gear. I have so much, and we will have such a great day. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Even got the Vespa down with the sheepskins, and the inside of the trailer just looking phenomenally well. And we've got live music going in here. It's just going to be a great day. Here they come. Come on in. Merry Christmas. Over 1,000 strong. Highly offended now. These guys just came in here telling me that they would have rather that Sherry come down here than Jack. Up board. These are all the river riders who put on this crazy thing. The River Riders Motorcycle Club.